This isn't some dramatic story. There's no big tragedy here, no shocking incident, just a quiet kind of sadness. I still remember that night. I was sitting on my bed, lights off, phone in my hand, completely lost. I kept scrolling, kept liking, watching other people's lives move forward, while mine felt stuck. I told myself, just 5 more minutes. But the truth is, those 5 minutes turned into 2 whole hours. And the strangest part? I wasn't even happy. I wasn't learning anything. I wasn't moving forward. I was just running away. But from what? Why is it that when our hearts feel heavy, we run to our phones? Why do we stay away from the Qur'an when deep down we know that is our healing? Why do we skip prayer when that is our soul's peace? That night, a question rose inside me. What if I gave just 2 weeks to heal the broken pieces inside me? What would happen? And so, I tried. Slowly, that frozen weight on my chest began to melt. That emptiness in my heart started to fill, with silence, with calm, with beauty. But it didn't happen on its own. It only happened when I chose Allah over the screen. So I made a plan, and maybe this is the part you need to hear. Step 1. A firm commitment to pray all 5 daily prayers, and if I ever slipped, I promised myself to come back immediately. Prayer isn't just an obligation, it's my lifeline. Step 2. Replace screen time with soul time. Just 1 verse a day. Yes, only 1. Read it, reflect on it, let it sink deep into your heart. Step 3. Make real dua. Not just asking for things, but truly talking to Allah, telling Him my fears, my struggles, my hopes. And believe me, He listens every single time. Step 4. Forgive yourself. Falling down doesn't make you a failure. Getting back up again and again, that's the real victory. I'm not sharing a story today, I'm sharing my truth. In 2 weeks, I saw change. I didn't become an angel, but I did become a woman who tries. The me on day 1 was sad, lost, searching, but the me on day 14, she had found peace, she had found purpose, she had found Allah, and all of that began with 1 single decision. So if you're listening to this, ask yourself, if you start today, what will your day 14 look like? What's really stopping you from leaving distractions behind and choosing peace? If tomorrow never comes, would you be proud of how you live today? You don't need to wait. Not for Ramadan, not for heartbreak, not for perfection. You just need to say, Ya Allah, I'm ready now. And take that very first step. 2 weeks won't make you perfect, but 2 weeks can make you new. So, put the screen down, open your heart, and begin. Bismillah. If these words reached your heart, bring others along on this journey too. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more heart-to-heart reminders, because maybe your 1 click could be the first step in someone else's new beginning.